Hey ninjas! Today we are going to see how to do fluid or water splash simulation in Blender. First, add your object. In my case, it's a Coca-Cola can. Then add a plane as our water source and place it in the back of the can. Like this. Then add a cube. Scale it up and go here, Object Properties. Change Textured to Wire. Let's do simulation now. Select your main object. Go here, add Fluid Modifier. Then select Type of Effector. Select that plane. Select Type to Flow. Surface Emission to 5th, enable Initial Velocity. While selecting Plane, go to Edit Mode. Click here and check its normal direction is in right position, because this will be the direction of our liquid flow. Select that cube and change its type to Domain. Domain type to Liquid. Resolution division to 128. Uncheck all the border collisions. Check this mesh option. Reduce particle radius value to 1.6 in cache, select type to modular, and check this resumable tab too. By doing thing, our simulation will become resumable after bake. Also, gravity to 0, because we don't want a water to affect by gravity. Let's bake and check the preview. I think we missed something. Water is not flowing. We missed the velocity part. Go here and increase normal value to 100. Now, bake again. Here you can see. We got our simulation working perfectly. Now, let's convert it into a mesh. Here, you can see the simulation is done. I'll switch to Render tab and add a water material using Blender Kit. Apply Shade Smooth and Subdivision Modifier to it. And here, you have your water splash simulation ready in Blender. This is looking cool. Hope you liked the tutorial. Thanks for watching, ninjas. Keep improving.